She's a maniac, maniac on the road. Uh-oh. Yeah, he caught some air. Hi everyone, Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop, I'm not anymore. Now I'm here to answer one question, and that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? Because everyone wants to know that. Everyone on the internet is like, what are the cops doing? Like, why did they do that, man? So I'm here to answer that question, hopefully, in today's video, which comes from Police Activity, titled, Bismarck Officer Shoots Fleeing Woman Who Hit Cop with SUV. I'm walking in blindly, my genuine reaction, walking you through it in real time. I've never seen this. Here we go. Okay. Looks like we got a little situation going on over here. Like a hoarder vehicle right there. Hey, what the hell are you guys doing over here? You're not in a parking spot. Yeah, we're just like, I don't know, trying to figure out what the hell's going on with this car, man. Like it won't go. What do you mean it won't go? It just won't fucking drive. I don't know, like I don't know. It just won't drive. Okay, did you
Turn off the car. Turn off the car.
Where's he going? Uh-oh.
Get out of the car!
What's he getting?
Get
Oh,
out
a
of the
baby.
car! Get out of the car! Now! 299, she almost struck me. Get out of the car!
Uh-oh.
Shots fired! You're hit!
Wow.
Show your hands!
Give me Metro, she struck me. Shots fired.
Show your hands!
Holy.
Show your hands!
Back up! No, back up!
Show me your hands!
I think they were trying to help him or something.
Fuck, I can't move.
299 headquarters.
What happened? What caused this?
1140 South 12th Street, Nightway Shelter. There's a white Chevy Equinox at the church beside the Nightway. 911 texture said the occupant is 55 and getting escalated. Again, 1140 South 12th.
Why do we not have audio?
89 copies.
Hi, what's your name, ma'am?
Why are you calling? Why?
We got called to come check on you. They were concerned.
There's nobody concerned.
There was. We got a phone call.
For
What's going on today?
Ma'am, real quick, before we continue, you strike me as someone who wants to run me over. Can you just promise me you're not going to run me over, please, and we can just talk through this civilly?
Who did you get a call from?
Okay. I don't know. It was an anonymous caller saying there was a white.
I know,
trooper
that's
sitting
what they keep doing that. You know, they did that in Nebraska with my children.
Nebraska. That's where I am.
They keep calling. And
I'm the anonymous caller.
Nothing. I don't think that it's okay for people.
I can't help but the people call, and it's my job to come respond when we have a call in.
Yeah, real quick, I want to point something out. When police officers get a call, like a wellness check on someone, they have to go check on that person. So a lot of the times people will call the cops, and then the people who are the subject of the call that the cops are going to check on get angry and think that the cops are just screwing around with them and harassing them. But that's simply not the case. Most cops would just like to not deal with anyone, but unfortunately, the public calls sometimes, and then they have to go check out people. So a lot of the times, like when a caller sees a black guy, a suspicious black guy walking in their neighborhood, and the cop goes and approaches the suspicious black guy. The cops are getting heat for someone else calling. So it's racism by proxy. It's people who think the person does not belong, so then they call the cops, and the cops look like the ones who are just like making contact with a black guy for no reason. They got to respond to these calls. This is the same situation here.
Check on people. Okay. Now my concern is coming
You
out
know
of my
everybody.
concern.
Your concern is you know everybody that
My
I'm dealing with.
concern is that the car smells heavily of marijuana.
Silence.
When's the last time you smoked any marijuana in here?
Other people have smoked marijuana in here, and I don't want to get into that because then they're calling you on me.
Other people have. You don't smoke any marijuana.
I have medical marijuana. I had my card.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
I had one.
Do you have one? Current? No. Okay. Have you step outside of the vehicle here?
No, you're not.
Turn off the car. Turn off the car.
No.
299. She's fleeing.
Yeah.
Get out of the car!
So she just hit him one time.
Get out of the
So
car!
far.
Get out of the car!
She's a maniac on the blow. Uh-oh. Yeah, he caught some air.
Not fired! Show your hands! Give me Metro, she struck me. Shots fired.
Good for him to get out like the pertinent radio traffic right after just being struck. Like, kudos to him, man.
Show your hands!
And so as soon as I heard that, I put two and two together, like, just peeping, like, hearing the, you know how you turn in the gravel scratches? Yeah, I heard that. And then that's when I kind of sped walked to the truck in case she was to ram it. It'd be the truck, not me. So I sped walked to it. And then she rolled her window down. She was like, no, just start screaming. I was like, hey, like, calm down, like calm down. So she started getting into people owe her money, and her dad owns an oil refinery, and all types of crazy stuff. While she has me drive, so I'm trying to be low key, because like this is all happening within minutes of each other. I'm just talking to her. I'm just trying to keep her talking. You see what I'm saying? To y'all get here. So I didn't know if I should step away and call her, but if I stepped away, I would either be in the front or the back of the vehicle. I didn't know what to do. My son's right there in the car. I didn't want her to back up and then ram to the back of the car.
For sure.
So I just texted you.
So I would assume that's the caller.
Turn off the car. Turn off the car.
Oh my god. I don't know. My only beef is I don't know why he kind of like positioned himself in front of him. Right here. He probably wasn't expecting her to do that. That's my only beef so far, is I don't know why he walked in front of the vehicle.
Get out of the car!
The second one's kind of unavoidable.
Get out of the car!
They do a good job of making sure there's no crossfire. But it looks like she's about to leave, and then she goes, just kidding.
Get out of the car! Shots fired! Officer hit! Show your hands! Shots fired! Show your
Damn.
hands! Show your hands! Back up! No, back up! Show me your hands!
Honestly, it may seem rude that they're yelling at him to back up, but he has no visual of her right now. So he's telling them to back up so they don't possibly get ran over as well. Because the public safety, utmost priority.
I can't move. We got help coming, James. Stay there.
Holy smokes. Okay, was it justified? Yes, it was a justified shooting. She purposely made that vehicle into a weapon and tried to severely injure or kill the officer that she hit. I don't think they were expecting that whatsoever. So his first reaction by pulling his gun, I would have probably done the same in the same circumstances. It's unfortunate. I honestly, like, people's minds get the best of them. This could have been resolved. She probably started freaking out over the marijuana. She's like, uh-oh, my medical card's expired, / I don't have it. I'm about to go to jail. A lot of the times with marijuana related stuff, that's simply not the case. A lot of the times, as long as it's under an ounce, it's literally an infraction. In some states, possibly a misdemeanor. I'm not sure, but in Nebraska, it is an infraction under an ounce. I think that's what happened. She let her fear get the best of her, and unfortunately, I don't think she lived. Okay. Udell was shot and pronounced. Oh, yeah, she is deceased. Possibly some mental health issues going on, but again, you can't pick up on all of those things in a very short, mere minutes of conversation. At the moment when she transformed that vehicle, transformed that vehicle into a weapon, and then struck the other officer, unfortunately, yeah, that's a deadly force situation, and the shooting was justified. Just my opinion. If you disagree, let me know down below. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. I'm going to bulk record a bunch of these, so if you see me wearing the same outfit, I promise you I'm not wearing the same thing every single day. I'm recording a bunch of videos in the few hours I've got of free time. She's a maniac.